So today I'm going to be showing you how I made this mask, which is inspired by the creepy animal masks from the new Pet Sematary remake coming to theaters on April 5th. First of all, I started by creating a base mask on my own face, similar to the ones that you learn how to make in school. Now, I did use construction paper because I thought I could get away with using less layers, and I seem to have a lot of it, especially orange construction paper. Then I added ears and little kitty cheeks. And then I began the arduous task of trying to make my nose look more like a kitty nose. So next I made the eyebrows and I gave more structure to the entire face. I also changed the eye shape a little bit just by using a box cutter. Then came the most fun part of all. I started to use some newspaper to build up certain parts of the face more and sculpt a kitty. I let that dry completely, and then it was time to paint. Now, paint was the only thing I actually bought for this project, and I'll include all of the supplies I used just down in the description if you're curious. So I wanted some strong shadows on the contours of the face. So I made those extra dark, and then I kind of just dry brushed the rest of the face to accentuate the texture and give it kind of like a grungy, dirty feel. And I actually executed some whiskers and tried to put them on, but I felt like they didn't really fit, so I opted out of whiskers. So I hope you like it, and if you decide to make your own mask, even if it's not as lengthy of a process as I went through, and you happen to like take a picture and like put it on Twitter or something, you should like totally tag me so I can see it, because I would love to see it. So I guess that's it. Are you looking forward to seeing Pet Sematary when it comes out next month? Let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye!